GoRV Camping Cuisine is brought to you by Thetford Australia. Today's delicious recipe was made possible using the Thetford Mini Grill Mark III. Feel at home on the road with cooking appliances from Thetford.
G'day guys, Joe here for another episode of Camping Cuisine. I'm out here at New Age Caravans Melbourne, where Jay King and his team have lent us this amazing big red caravan, where I'll be cooking a winter risotto for you. Follow me. I'm here in the Big Red. I'm cooking on this Thetford mini grill. Let me take you through the ingredients for this amazing winter risotto. You're gonna love it. For our risotto, I'm going with the Italian arborio rice. It's known to absorb the liquids and it's gonna give us that creamy texture that we want for this dish. We're also gonna need some butter, some chicken stock, some bacon, dry white wine, some mushrooms, onion, peas, and some Parmesan cheese. So I'm gonna start cooking. We'll begin by chopping our ingredients. We're gonna need 1 onion, a handful of mushrooms, and some bacon. Adding onions is a great base to most recipes. Got the onions chopped, I'm just going to slice up some mushrooms. You can use your favourite mushrooms, but today I'm using some standard white cup. So given that we're in a small working space here, I like to clean as we go. So this bacon is going to add a bunch of flavour to this risotto. Okay, that's done. Let's get the pan on the Thetford mini grill. We'll get the pan on low heat and add 100 grams of butter. Butter's got these nice little markings, makes it nice and easy to get the 100 grams. These gas burners give us a nice even heat. Now butter's melted, we're just going to add the onions. And only the onions at this stage, and we're just going to cook them until they're translucent. And we'll just give that a bit of a stir around. This should only take a couple of minutes, and then we'll add the mushrooms and bacon. There's something about onions frying in butter. And that's looking pretty good, so I'm about to add the mushrooms and the bacon. We'll get all that in there. We're going to let the heat go through until the mushrooms and the bacon are nice and soft. And we're doing this on a medium heat. The smell out of this pan will be sending the neighbours wild. We'll prepare our peas. Make sure you strain these peas. We don't want that liquid in our risotto. So we're going to grab our peas that we prepared earlier. Give that a stir as well. And we'll get a cup of arborio rice. A cup of arborio rice. Now this cup should feed a family of 4 quite easily. We're going to give that a stir through. Now we don't want to dry the rice out, so we're going to add some white wine. We're adding about half a cup of white wine, and this should really let the rice absorb all these flavours. And that smell has just ramped up another level. We're going to let that simmer for a minute or two, and I'm going to get our chicken stock. Now we'll need about 1 litre of chicken stock to cook this through, but we're not going to add the whole litre at once. We're going to add about a cup at a time. We've had our first cup of chicken stock. I'm just going to crack some salt and pepper to season. You won't need too much salt for this dish. The bacon's already taken care of that. And I can see it already starting to evaporate, meaning we need to get some more stock. We'll keep stirring that around. We don't want any rice sticking to the pan. So we'll keep repeating this process until we've used up all of our stock. So we're almost at the end of the cooking process. We've got a little bit of stock left. I'm just going to add that in now and let that simmer away. By the time this has evaporated and the rice has absorbed all the flavours, we should be ready to plate it up. It's been simmering for a while. I'm just going to taste the rice. Even Goldilocks will like that one. So that's it guys, it's ready to serve up. I'm just going to turn the heat off and I'm going to grab a nice handful of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to mix that through. Smells great, it looks delicious. And that's it, a great simple winter's dish. Time to serve this up. Righto viewers, check this out. A nice creamy risotto. A nice generous serving. Now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan cheese because I know my Goldilocks likes it. Now that we're ready, I need my taste tester here.
Well, that smells great. Can I come in now?
You sure can.
Wow.
Take a seat, Dale. Can I get you a glass of wine with your risotto?
This looks delightful. This is my favourite. Ready for my verdict?
Oh, yes we are. You like that?
Beautiful.
If I can please our official taste tester, I'm sure you'll enjoy this recipe. Well, I'm not going to miss out. I'm going to take a seat and enjoy this risotto. What can I say? Another successful camping cuisine meal. Thanks to Thetford. See you next time.